Mammals are a diverse and fascinating group of animals, encompassing a wide range of species that inhabit nearly every corner of the globe. We share the planet with them every day, from the bustling city streets to the remote wilderness. But what makes a mammal a mammal? What are the unique traits that set them apart from other animals? There are a few key characteristics that all mammals share, regardless of their size or habitat. Firstly, mammals are vertebrates, meaning they have a backbone. This bony structure provides essential support and allows for a wide range of movement. This backbone is crucial for their mobility, enabling activities like running, jumping, and climbing. Additionally, mammals are warm-blooded. This means they can regulate their own body temperature, unlike reptiles who rely on external heat sources. This ability allows mammals to thrive in a variety of environments. Another defining feature of mammals is their body hair. This hair, whether thick or sparse, provides insulation and helps regulate body temperature. Whether it's the thick fur of a polar bear or the sparse hairs on a human, this hair is essential for maintaining warmth and protection. And of course, we can't forget about the most well-known characteristic of mammals' milk production. This is a vital aspect of mammalian life. Female mammals possess mammary glands that produce milk to nourish their young, ensuring the next generation's survival. Finally, all mammals breathe air with lungs. This efficient respiratory system provides the oxygen needed for their active lifestyles and various activities. This system supports their high energy demands, whether they're sprinting, swimming, or climbing. From the smallest shrew to the largest whale, these shared characteristics unite mammals as a group, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of this remarkable class of animals. The majority of mammals, including humans, belong to a group called placentals. These mammals are incredibly diverse, ranging from tiny rodents to massive whales, and they can be found in nearly every habitat on Earth. Placental mammals are named for the placenta, a specialized organ that develops during pregnancy. This organ is crucial for the survival and development of the embryo. The placenta connects the developing embryo to the mother's uterine wall, acting as a lifeline that supplies the baby with essential nutrients and oxygen. This connection is vital because it allows for the exchange of nutrients and waste products between the mother and the growing baby. The mother's diet and health directly impact the baby's development. The placenta provides a safe and nourishing environment for the baby to develop over an extended period. This extended development period is one of the key advantages of being a placental mammal. This period of development inside the mother's body is called gestation. During gestation, the baby grows and matures, preparing for life outside the womb. The length of gestation varies greatly among placental mammals. Smaller mammals tend to have shorter gestation periods, while larger mammals have longer ones. For example, a human pregnancy lasts around 9 months, which is relatively long compared to many other mammals, while an African elephant carries its young for almost 2 years. This extended gestation period allows the elephant calf to be born more developed and ready to face the challenges of its environment. At the end of the gestation period, the mother gives birth to live young. This process can vary greatly among different species, but the result is always the same: a new life begins. These offspring are typically more developed than the newborns of other mammal groups. They are often able to move and respond to their environment shortly after birth. This is due to the extended time spent growing inside the mother's womb. The care and nourishment provided by the mother during gestation give placental mammals a significant head start in life. Marsupials, found primarily in Australia and the Americas, have a unique approach to raising their young. Unlike placental mammals, marsupials give birth to relatively underdeveloped offspring. These tiny newborns, barely bigger than a jelly bean, then embark on an incredible journey. Using their strong forelimbs, they crawl their way across their mother's fur to a pouch on her abdomen. This pouch, called a marsupium, is a defining feature of marsupials. Inside the pouch, the young marsupial attaches to a nipple and continues its development. The pouch provides warmth, protection, and a constant supply of milk. Kangaroos are perhaps the most well-known marsupials. Their joeys, as the young are called, spend several months in the pouch before venturing out into the world. Monotremes represent a truly ancient and extraordinary group of mammals. These unique creatures have fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. These fascinating creatures lay eggs, a characteristic that sets them apart from all other mammals. Unlike the more familiar placental and marsupial mammals, monotremes have retained this primitive trait. Found only in Australia and New Guinea, monotremes provide a glimpse into the early evolution of mammals. Their presence in these regions highlights the unique evolutionary paths taken by wildlife on isolated landmasses. The most iconic monotreme is the duck-billed platypus. This animal's appearance is so unusual that early European naturalists thought it was a hoax. This bizarre-looking creature with its duck-like bill, webbed feet and dense fur is truly unique. The platypus uses its bill to detect electrical signals from prey in the water. Female platypuses lay their soft-shelled eggs in burrows. These burrows are carefully constructed to provide a safe environment for the developing eggs. After hatching, the tiny platypus young, like their marsupial counterparts, rely on their mother's milk for nourishment. The milk is secreted through specialized mammary glands, as platypuses lack nipples. Another example of a monotreme is the echidna, also known as the spiny anteater. Echidnas are covered in sharp spines, which provide excellent protection against predators. Echidnas possess sharp spines for protection and a long, sticky tongue for lapping up insects. This tongue can extend rapidly to capture ants and termites, their primary food sources. Like the platypus, echidnas lay eggs and produce milk to feed their young. The eggs are incubated in a pouch on the mother's belly until they hatch. The existence of monotremes reminds us of the remarkable diversity of the animal kingdom and the many ways in which nature has solved the challenges of survival. Their unique adaptations offer valuable insights into the evolutionary history of mammals. Section 5. The success of mammalian reproduction. The various ways in which mammals give birth and care for their young are testaments to their evolutionary success. Placental mammals, with their long gestation periods, give birth to relatively developed offspring. This increases the chances of survival for the young, as they are born more equipped to navigate the world. Marsupials, on the other hand, have adopted a different strategy. Their short gestation periods and the development of their young in pouches allow them to conserve energy and adapt to changing environments. This is particularly advantageous in areas with unpredictable food sources or harsh climates. Monotremes, though seemingly primitive in their egg-laying, have also found success in their respective niches. Their method of reproduction has persisted for millions of years, demonstrating its effectiveness in their specific environments. The diversity of mammalian reproductive strategies highlights the adaptability and resilience of this remarkable group of animals. Section 6. A closer look at placental birth. The birth of a placental mammal is a complex and fascinating process. As the gestation period comes to an end, the mother's body undergoes a series of hormonal changes. These changes prepare both the mother and the baby for the challenges of labor and delivery. During labor, powerful contractions of the uterus help to push the baby through the birth canal. The placenta, which has nourished and sustained the baby throughout the pregnancy, is then expelled from the mother's body. The length of labor varies among species, but it is a physically demanding process for all mammals. The bond between mother and offspring is often evident immediately after birth, as the mother cleans and cares for her newborn. Section 7. The advantages of pouches. The marsupial pouch provides a safe and secure environment for the development of the young. Inside the pouch, the tiny newborn has constant access to its mother's milk. This milk is rich in nutrients and antibodies, providing essential nourishment and protection from disease. The pouch also acts as a temperature regulator, keeping the young marsupial warm and comfortable. As the young marsupial grows, it will begin to spend short periods outside the pouch. However, it will continue to return to the pouch for milk and protection until it is old enough to be independent. This unique reproductive strategy has allowed marsupials to thrive in diverse habitats, from the arid deserts of Australia to the lush rainforests of New Guinea. Section 8. The mystery of monotreme evolution. Monotremes, with their egg-laying reproduction, provide a fascinating glimpse into the early evolution of mammals. Fossil evidence suggests that the ancestors of monotremes diverged from other mammals very early in evolutionary history, perhaps as far back as 166 million years ago. While most mammals evolved to give birth to live young, monotremes retained this ancestral characteristic of egg-laying. How and why this occurred remains a mystery that continues to intrigue scientists. Studying monotremes helps us to understand the evolutionary journey of mammals and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Section 9. Mammals, a triumph of diversity. From the vast plains of Africa to the icy Arctic, mammals have conquered every corner of the globe. Their diverse reproductive strategies, from placental birth to marsupial pouches to monotreme eggs, are a testament to their evolutionary success. Whether giving birth to live young or nurturing their offspring in pouches, mammals have developed remarkable ways to ensure the survival of their species. The next time you encounter a mammal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of life that has led to its existence. From the tiniest shrew to the largest whale, mammals continue to captivate and inspire us with their remarkable adaptations and their enduring presence on our planet.